The Lenovo i1PRO drone is a high-performance aerial photography quadcopter, designed for both professionals and hobbyists seeking top-tier flight capabilities. With an impressive 8K camera, this drone captures breathtaking visuals with unparalleled clarity, ensuring that every shot is crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. Whether you're filming stunning landscapes or close-up action shots, the Lenovo i1PRO offers exceptional image quality, taking your footage to the next level. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi FPV first-person view technology, the i1PRO allows you to stream live video in real time, enhancing your flying experience by providing instant feedback from the drone's perspective. This feature is perfect for both casual users and professional videographers who need seamless, high-quality footage during flight. One of the standout features of the Lenovo i1PRO drone is its intelligent obstacle avoidance system. The drone is equipped with four-sided obstacle avoidance, which ensures that it can detect and avoid obstacles on all sides, providing a safer flying experience and reducing the risk of collisions. This is especially useful for flying in complex environments, or for beginners still mastering drone control. The i1PRO also includes optical flow positioning, which helps maintain the drone's stability during flight by ensuring it holds its altitude and orientation. This system allows for smooth, steady footage even in challenging conditions. Coupled with the 35-minute battery life, this drone offers extended flight times, giving you ample opportunity to capture more footage without the need to constantly recharge. The drone is powered by a 1503 brushless motor, providing smoother and quieter flight performance compared to traditional brushed motors. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures precise control and stability during flight, making it easier to maneuver and perform complex aerial maneuvers such as 360-degree rolls. For added convenience, the Lenovo i1PRO features a remote control with a built-in screen that supports real-time image transmission, allowing you to view the footage live on the controller. Additionally, the controller is equipped with a memory card and card reader for easy storage of photos and videos captured during flight. The drone's remote control has an impressive range of up to 5,500 meters, giving you the freedom to explore vast areas and capture stunning aerial views. This drone also offers advanced features such as headless mode, where the aircraft can be flown without needing to adjust its orientation, and a flight path drawing function, which allows you to plan and execute autonomous flights along a specified path. The combination of these features makes the Lenovo i1PRO drone an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial imagery or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the Lenovo i1PRO drone offers a powerful and reliable solution. With its high-quality 8K camera, intelligent flight features, and long-lasting battery, it stands as one of the top choices in its category for anyone looking to take their drone flying to new heights.